Hi guys! Are you looking for the best sunset cruises in Lisbon? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Maria from travelguidelisbon.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the best shared and private sunset cruises in Lisbon. In the first half of the video I'm going to describe our best 4 options of shared sunset cruises, and in the second half of this video I'm going to talk about our top 3 picks of private evening tours in Lisbon. Now, I have created this video because there are literally hundreds of options of boat trips in Lisbon, and the task to choose the best one for you seems near to impossible. So I have done the research and narrowed it down for a small number of options for you, hopefully making your life and choice easier this way. So the best 4 options for shared sunset cruises in Lisbon. Now all the 4 options I have chosen for you are very similar in terms of duration. They all last for 2 hours. They all have a live guide on board, also available in English. You will always have a welcome drink on board, and almost all the cruises depart from Belém. Now the tour that the boat takes is also very similar. You will always have a look at the Belém district, including the Belém Tower, the monuments to the discoveries, the Cristo Rei statue. You will always pass under the 25th of April bridge and have a beautiful view on the hillsides of a historical Lisbon. Now our first pick is a 2-hour sunset cruise operated by a company called Pass Cruises. They are known for their quality and engaging guide on board, and they score a 5-star on TripAdvisor and also on Get Your Guide, which is our recommended vendor. Now in this cruise you will be sitting on a sailing boat, and this one costs 32 euros per person. On the second place there is a 2-hour sunset cruise operated by the company called Lisbon Sail. In this cruise you will be also sitting on a sailing boat, and this one costs 33 euros per person. The third option is a 2-hour sunset cruise operated by Palma Yachts, and in this option you will be sitting on a yacht, and this one costs 39 euros per person. On the fourth place is the sunset cruise by Terra Incognita. Now in this cruise you will be sitting on a luxurious catamaran, and this one costs 42 euros per person, and this is the only cruise that does not depart in Belém but from under the 25th of April bridge. And here the price also includes a food tasting where you will be tasting typical Portuguese food on board, apart from the welcome drinks. So these are the 4 best options picked by us for shared sunset cruises in Lisbon. And now about the best private sunset cruises in Lisbon. I have picked 3 top options for you. All the 3 options are very similar in terms of duration. They all last for 2 hours, they all have live guide on board, and they all depart in Belém. The route the boats take is also very similar to the previously described shared sunset cruises. So you will check out the Belém area, pass under the 25th of April bridge, and have a beautiful view on the historical hillside of Lisbon. Now, if you're traveling with a small group of people, the best option for you would be the private yacht evening operated by a company called Lisbon by Boat. This company is the #1 company for TripAdvisor for water sports and boat trips, scoring 5 stars in TripAdvisor. Now in this option you would have to pay 300 euros for up to 6 people. And you will be sitting on a yacht, and the price also includes a drink and appetizers on board. Now, if you're looking for a romantic evening sunset cruise just for the 2 of you, there are 2 best options for you. One of them costs 230 euros for the 2 of you, operated by Lisbon Sail, and you will be sitting on a sailing boat. With this company, you also have the option to book an extra dinner on board after the cruise, but you will have to call them in advance to arrange that. Another option for just for the two of you is slightly more expensive, operated by Pipes Cruises. This one would cost 295 euros for the two of you, and this one includes a glass of champagne on board, and you will be sitting on a sailing boat. Now, this was for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that I made your life a little bit easier when choosing the best sunset cruise for you, because it's really not easy. And to check these trips in more details and book them online and check more useful tips and information on Lisbon when visiting in Lisbon, please visit our website travelguidelisbon.com. Thank you. Bye bye.